Here are some parameters that are important in BJT frequency response. The first one is F1, F2, which are cut-off frequencies and generally called corner, band, break, or half power frequency. These are another name of the cut-off frequency. F0 is a center frequency. Then BW, the bandwidth or pass band of each system is determined by F1 and F2 from this formula. Bandwidth equal to F2 minus F1. This is a normalized gain versus a frequency plot. Okay, the AV is a gain at each frequency is divided by the midband AV mid gain value here, and the midband gain is equal to 1. Okay, for the normalized gain, okay, this is you see the AV divided by AV mid, and then here maximum is 1 for the gain, and it will start to reduce the gain at the cut-off frequency, and during this time is the value of the gain is 0.707. Okay, same goes here for the high frequency. This is the high cut-off frequency, and again start to reduce at the 0.07. Okay, so we see that the level of cut-off frequency is at 0.707, and then level of center frequency is equal to 1. Okay, this is what we call the midband frequency, which is at this time AV equal to 1. A decibel plot of the voltage gain versus frequency can be obtained by applying this formula. Okay, for the decibel, the previous graph is normalized. Okay, it's a normalized versus the frequency plot. So this, the next one, is a decibel plot. Okay, in the decibel plot, okay, this is the last the equation that we see for the normalized gain, and then we, to convert it to decibel, we log this one, log 10 the AV over AV mid, and times with 20, so we get our gain in decibel. Okay, so here you see the difference. This is already logged. Okay, so we get in decibel dB. Okay, this is the previous one. Okay, then we convert the normalized gain into the decibel plot. We call this graph is decibel plot. Okay, so you see here for the gain, now we log all the gain and we get this value. When we log 1, okay, 0 dB is equal to log 1. Negative 3 is actually negative 3 dB is equal log 0.70. Okay, and so on. We log everything and we get this value. Okay, so you see in decibel the gain is maximum at 0 dB. Okay, and again the cut-off frequency at this level, the gain is negative 3 dB. Okay, this is important. The cut-off frequency always happen when the gain is negative 3 dB. Okay, so you can get this one for the gain during the cut-off frequency. Okay, so means that at this one 0 dB is the highest gain for the AV mid at the mid band level.